Did you know a general can win every single battle by appearing to lose them all? The council chamber is cold. Torchlight flickers across stone walls. He stands at the center, still, while voices rise around him like a storm demanding blood. They call him a coward. They say his retreats shame the army. They want him to hold ground, to charge, to show teeth. He says nothing, because he sees what they cannot. Every retreat he ordered was a trap. Every pursuing army stretched too thin, too hungry, too confident, and then collapsed under its own weight. His men came home. Theirs did not. But explaining this would feed their ego, not their understanding. So he breathes. He waits. He holds the truth quietly inside his chest like a coal, letting it burn without smoke. The man who looked like he was always losing was the only one consistently winning. Real courage is not the loudest move in the room. Sometimes it is the stillest one. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.